In today's video, we're gonna unbox this TEKTON half-inch drive 6-point socket set from 11 millimeter to 32 millimeter, but it does skip a lot of them. So let's go ahead and open it up. I bought this brand new. Wrapping looks really nice. It's a nice little long box. Supposedly comes with a lifetime replacement warranty. Here's the sizes. Let's go ahead and open this saran wrap. It's in the way. Shallow length. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, skip 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 24, 27, 30. So it skips a lot of them. Still debating if I should keep this one or if I should get the full set. Let's go ahead and open this up. Nice little long box. Let's go ahead and measure that. It's around 19 inches. So, like 3 inches. And 2.5 inches. They look really nice. They're brand new. This is the 30. So the only markings are these. Does not have any engraved markings on it. Really nice. It's 1/2 inch. Let's go ahead and test it on the impact. Okay, let's just get the 19 here. Looks really nice. So these on Amazon, it depends on the market. Right now with the pandemic and everything, all the prices went up. So I got these for $39 plus tax. Sometimes you can get them a little bit less, but it's really hard to tell if they're gonna keep going up. Most likely they will. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.